Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve some more previous year questions on chapter ratio and proportion. These questions are frequently coming on your exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD of SSC. So let's get started. Question number 52. Vessels A and B contain mixtures of milk and water in the ratios 4:5 and 5:1 respectively. In what ratio should quantities of mixture be taken from A and B to form a mixture in which milk to water is in the ratio 5:4? Now here in vessels A, milk to water is 4:5. Milk to water is 4:5. And in vessel B, the ratio of milk to water is 5:1. Now we have to form a mixture in which the ratio of milk to water is in the ratio 5:4. That means in new mixture, the ratio of milk to water is 5:4. Now listen, suppose we are taking milk from each vessel. So parts of milk from vessel A is 4/9. Here it is A, and parts or fractions of milk from vessel B is 5/6. And in the new mixture, the fractions of milk is 5/9. Now here 5/6 minus 5/9, so it is coming as 5/18. After subtraction, we are getting it is 5/18. Now 5/9 minus 4/9, so it is 1/9. Now here listen, then the ratio is, now it is 5/18. That means here it is given in fractions, we have to convert it into whole number. So for whole number, here the LCM of 18 and 9 is 18, and we have to multiply 18 in each fraction. So here it is 5/18 into 18 is to 1/9 into 18. So here this 18 cancels this 18, and it is 9 2s are 18. That means the ratio is 5:2. Here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 53. Now a container contains 60 kg of milk. From this container, 6 kg of milk was taken out and replaced by water. This process was repeated further 2 times. The amount of milk left in the container is, now here that means we have to take milk from the container and add or replace that with water. So here this process is repeated for 3 times because initially it was, then after that it is 2 times. That means total 3 times is there. Now here for this we have a formula, that is here amount left is equal to initial quantity into 1 minus amount replaced divided by initial amount. Amount or quantity replaced divided by initial quantity to the power n. Here n is 3. So now we have initial quantity is 60 into 1 minus amount or quantity. Here it is quantity replaced. Now it is quantity replaced is 6. So it is 6 by 60 to the power, here n is 3. That means it is continued for 3 times. Now 60 into, here it is 1, here it is 1 by 10. Now 1 minus 1 by 10, so that is 9 by 10. Now 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So here this 0 cancels this 0, and after multiplications we are getting it as 43.74 kg. That means your option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 54. In a mixture of 25 liters, the ratio of acid to water is 4:1. Another 3 liters of water is added to the mixture. The ratio of acid to water in the new mixture is, now here we have 25 liters of mixture. Now in this mixture there is acid and water. So the ratio of acid to water is 4:1. Now that means here acid is equal to 4 by 5 into 25. So that is equal to 20 liter. And water is 25 liter mixture and acid is 20 liter. So after subtraction we are getting it as 5 liter. That means water is 5 liter. Now here we have to find out the new ratio of acid and water. Here the acid quantity is 20 liter and here water is 5 plus 3. That means we are adding 3 more liters of water. So it is 20:8. 20:8 and 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. That means it is 5:2. That means your option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 55. The ratio of milk and water in the mixture of 4 containers is, or 4 containers are 5:3, 2:1, 3:2, and 7:4 respectively. In which container is the quantity of milk relative to water minimum? Now here we have to find quantity of milk. That means in the first container milk is 5/8. Now here, so it is equal to 0.625. In the second container, it is in the first container. Now in the second container it is 2/3. How? In the first container, how it is 5/8? That means it is, here milk is 5 and total is 5 plus 3, that is 8. That means here out of 8 parts milk is 5 parts, so it is 5/8. And in the second container, out of 3 parts milk is 2 part. Here the total is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Out of 3 parts what milk is 2 parts, so it is 2/3, so that is equal to 0.66. It is in the second container. And in the third container it is 3/5, so that is equal to 0.6. It is in the third container. Now in the last container, fourth container, it is 7/11, so that is equal to 0. Now here the minimum quantity is in the third container. That means your option 3 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icons to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.